Welcome to Mech with Rishav. This is the new video series of SolidWorks part modeling. After the completion of this video series, you will be able to understand everything including the SolidWorks part modeling and SolidWorks assembly as well. Now let's dive into the SolidWorks screen.
In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make this ladder in SolidWorks. This ladder is a combination of channel and then angles, and some square pipe is being used here for the support purpose and the MS plate. Okay, simple. By using the combination of these things, we can make the iron ladder. Okay, let's start the thing. I will make everything inside the part drawing, so no assembly is required here. Let me start with the part drawing. Let me select the front plane and create a sketch over it. I am making a first of all, I am making a rectangle platform that will be of square size. So let me assign the value 1 meter by 1 meter, 1000 mm, and again 1000 mm. Let me use the extrude feature. Thickness 3 mm. Okay, now let's select the top plane or any plane and drag it to the one side. I'm creating a plane to and the side of the plate for the purpose of making the square pipes. So I'm creating a plane with the offset of 500 mm so that it will be at one of the edges of my drawing. Okay, and now in this plane I am creating the sketch. This will be the height of my ladder. The ladder will be 2 meter long. The height of the ladder will be 2 meter. So I'll assign the length of these pipes to the 2 meter. Let me make this line and this line equal. Let's assign the value. Now I'll use the structure membrane here. Okay, let me come out of the sketch. Let's go to the structural member. Select this pipe and again select this pipe so that we have to make a group of these two pipes and assign the value of size to around 35 into 35 by 4. I am assigning the angle iron that okay, angle iron has been assigned here, but let's make it a square tube, and the size of our square tube will be 14 to 14 to 4. After creating the square pipe, now we have to make the mirror of this pipe so that it will go to the other side as well. For mirror, let's go to the feature and select the mirror and mirror about the top plane. We don't have to create an extra plane here because my top plane is at the center of the plane. And the features to mirror, you have to mirror the bodies. So I'm going to the body and I'm selecting the pipe that I need to mirror. I'll select these two pipes. Okay, after selecting, I'm simply coming out of this feature. Okay, now my base platform is ready. Let me hide this mirror plane. Simply click on this plane and click on this hide option. Your mirror plane will be then hidden. Okay, our base frame is ready. After that, now I am creating the side panel platform. So let me select this side face of my square tube and I am creating the sketch over here. Now I am drawing a line from this point to the ground so that I can create a channel around it. Again, I will be using the structural member feature for the channel, so I don't have to do anything extra. And let's make this thing inclined with the ground at an angle of 45 degree. Because practically the ladder should be aligned with a horizontal at an angle of 45 degree. So I will be making this angle with a value of 45 degree. Assign it the value of 45 degree. After assigning it, I think this point will go up as come out of the dimension tool and select this point. Select your horizontal line and make this two thing coincident. Okay, now our line will be fully defined, and keep your eyes every time on this feature and make sure that your drawing is fully defined at every time of your drawing so that you will not struggle with the values later on. Now I am going again to the element. And okay, we'll first come out of the sketch. After coming out of the sketch, go to the structural member, and now select here the type to the C channel. I am selecting the type to the C channel here, and the size, select the size. I am selecting the size to be 120 into 12, and here group is arc-C, so I am selecting this line. See, I can see preview over here. Okay, preview is being shown, but see one thing, the channel is parallel to the horizontal, and I want it to be the perpendicular to the horizontal. So simply scroll down here, and I can change the orientation of this thing at an angle of, let me change it to the angle of 270 degree. 270, okay, 270 came out to be opposite of my expectation. So I am simply rotating with an angle of 90 degrees, and it is perfect. But one thing that is looking inconvenient here is that our channel is coming out of this point, and I want this point to be the end point of my channel so that it aligns with my square pipe. So I am locating the profile here, click on locate profile, and I am selecting this point as the starting point or overlapping point with my line. See, now this channel has went inside. Okay, let me come out of this feature. The side profile is also almost ready. Let me again mirror it to the next side. Go to the mirror property, select the top plane, which is my mid plane, and after selecting the top plane, go to the bodies to mirror and simply select your channel. And I selected my channel. I am coming out of this property, and see, this thing has been copied to the next side as well. Okay, after completing this, let me make the railing. Okay, to create the railing, I have to select one plane, and I will be creating some line based on this inner side of my channel. Okay, let me select this plane and create some sketch in this plane. Okay, let me start with the line. I'm creating some line and later on converting it to the angle with the help of the elements. Let's create this line perpendicular to my channel. Okay, I think this is perfectly perpendicular. Let's create the same line in the same plane but at this point also. First, initially simply create a perpendicular line and later we'll assign the value to it. First, make sure those lines are perpendicular. Yes, it is perpendicular. Now add some feature between these lines. Simply select these three lines and give them the relation of equal from here. Okay, okay, equal, but I haven't given them dimension yet, so I am assigning them the value. I am assigning them the value of 1 meter. The height of my railing will be 1 meter. I assign them the value of 1 meter. See, and my all three pole will automatically change its height to the 1 meter. Let me add some more line here to complete my railing. And from here to here, again from the midpoint of this line, let's create some more point for our railings. Okay, now my basic lines for the railing is also completed. Let me come out of the sketch tool and let's go to the elements. Let's go to the again go to the structural member, and this time I am using the angle. So let's select the type to the angle item. This will be equal angle. So I am using the angle of 35 by 35 by 5. Now I have to make groups. I have to make sure that this group will be a continuous line or continuous thing. So I am selecting the line that are continuous at first. These lines. Let's select all the continuous line first. Okay, this line are continuous line. Let me create one more group. Let me select this line and this line. Okay, let me create one more group and let's select this line. Okay, now my railing is also completed. Let me come out of the structural member. My railing is also completed. Now I again have to do the same thing, that is I am mirroring this thing. Let me go to the mirror, or you can simply create everything on the one side and mirror every other part at once as well. My top plane is my center plane. Now I am selecting the bodies to mirror. My bodies to mirror is everything that I just created using the structural member. So my everything, these items angles need to be mirrored to the other side. Sure, I selected this everything. I hope this is mirrored as well. Let's see to the other side. Yes, this is mirrored. Now I am not left with the much thing. Now I have to make the ladder, make the platform for my ladder. Okay, for that I am selecting my base plane, and let me select the base plane by simply selecting the downward surface of my pipe, and I am creating a sketch plane over here. Now I am creating a rectangle that will be my base, and I will be creating the corner rectangle. My corner rectangle will start from one of the corner of my channel, and it will go all the way to the next part of my channel. Let me assign the value. Let's assign the value approximately 200 mm. 200 mm will be the constraint for walking as well. Sure, I will assign the value of 200 mm to these. Okay, I think I mistakenly typed 1000 mm. Okay, let's change this. Make sure you type 200. Okay, 200 has been applied, and let's extrude this. But while extruding, make sure one thing. Look, this is completely aligned with the base. So while extruding, I'll extrude from. I'll do the offset extrude basically. Okay, let me come out of the dimension tool. Let's go to the post extrude feature, and I'll do the extrude. But like I said, I'll do the extrude from the sketch plane. See, the line direction is also opposite. I am changing it. And now from let's offset from the base plane. Let's go up to the height of 200 mm, and let's start our base platform from 200 mm, and see in the preview it is going downward, so I am changing its direction to upward. Okay, this will be the perfect starting point for my ladder. I think the 200 offset is a bit larger, so let's reduce it. Let's try with 100 mm. I'm making sure that we'll get a coil holding in both sides during the fabrication. I think this is fine. And 3 mm will be the thickness. Okay, let's see how it seems. Okay, I think it is looking fine now. Okay, let's give the support to this. Let's add some angle, create the sketch below it. Simply go to the convert entity, and you will create the entire rectangle thing over here. Convert entity, click on OK. Now go to the elements. Okay, first come out of the sketch, go to the structural member, and I will again create the here iron angle, but I'll create it of a bit smaller size. Let's create it of 25 mm. Select this thing. You have to make a group again here. So let's start creating a group. That line is automatically selected. Select every line that you just created. Okay, after creating the group, come out of this feature. Okay, now the base ladder is also ready. Now let's create a linear pattern of this thing. Feature, go to the feature, go to the linear pattern. We have to select the direction of the pattern. So simply select this. Uh, don't select the face. Entire face will change your entire direction. So don't select the face. Simply select any of the line of the edge of the channel. I am selecting this line. Now my direction is this direction, and so see the arrow is in the opposite direction. So I am changing its direction. Go to the feature and faces, and select the thing that you want to pattern. Both extrude, and another thing is our elements, right? So select that elements as well. Unable to pattern, go to instead, make the pattern body. Okay, select this four angular thing we just created, and the base platform as well. Okay, now let's assign the value. The height will be 200 mm, because the height of the riser of the ladder should be 200 mm for convenience of walking. And let's see how many it fits. I can increase some value here. Okay, 14. 14 is ideal, right? Yes. When I make 14, a little bit of space is being remained on the top side. That will be completely fine. And let me come out of this feature. Okay, now the drawing has been completed. Let's add some color. For adding some color, go to the appearances section. Go to appearances colors. Let's start with some organic color. I am going with the sky color here and the light cloud. My base will be of light cloud. That is what I have done in my preview drawing as well. So I am assigning this color to my body. That is our base. Okay, let's give some more color. Let's add some solid color. Red color to all the pipes. Red color to all the square tubes. Let's try another. Orange color to my channel. Okay, next side is not colored. Control Shift C. Select the color. Select your channel of another side. Control Shift V. It will give you color to the everything that you want. Okay, simply do the same thing here as well. Select this color. Control Shift C. And Control Shift V. Okay, select the pipe first. Control Shift V. Okay, our square tube has been assigned red color. Okay, now I am assigning some color to my this angular, the support of my railing or simply the railing as well. So let's assign some green color to this. Okay, angular iron. Every angular iron is of green color. Now next side is remaining. So select this color, Control Shift C, and paste it, Control Shift V, to the mirror thing. Now I am left with my base platform, right? Okay, let's give some color to this base platform as well. Uh, let's go to the organic section once again. Okay, let's give fire brick. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it is also looking fine. Control Shift C, Control Shift V. You can apply the color of your any choice simply from the appearance section. You can try anything more as well. And in this way, we can simply create a simple ladder. You can make view and everything from here as well. So if you want the view key of this drawing generated automatically, simply comment below in the comment section. I'll continue the next video from this point, this exact point, where I'll show you how to calculate the view key of this drawing. Thank you for watching the video till the end.